Catherine Ann Moss, born the 16th of January 1974, is an English model. Arriving towards the end of the supermodel era, Moss rose to fame in the early 1990s as part of the heroin chic fashion trend. Her collaborations with Calvin Klein brought her to fashion icon status. She is known for her Waifish figure and role in size zero fashion. Moss has had her own clothing range, has been involved in musical projects, and is also a contributing fashion editor for British Vogue. In 2012, she came second on the Forbes top earning models list with estimated earnings of $9.2 million in 1 year. The accolades she has received for modeling include the 2013 British Fashion Awards, acknowledging her contribution to fashion over 25 years, while Time named her one of the world's 100 most influential people in 2007. A subject of media scrutiny due to her partying lifestyle, Moss was involved in a drug use scandal in September 2005, which led to her being dropped from fashion campaigns. She was cleared of charges and soon resumed modeling. She has inspired cultural depictions, including a £1.5 million 18-karat gold statue of her by Mark Quinn, sculpted in 2008 for a British Museum exhibition. Kate Moss was born on the 16th of January 1974 in Croydon, London, the daughter of Linda Rosina Moss, a barmaid, and Peter Edward Moss, an airline employee, and raised in the Addiscombe and Sanderstead areas of the borough. She has a younger brother, Nick, and a half-sister named Lottie. Moss's parents divorced when she was 13. She attended Ridgeway Primary School and Riddlesdown High School in Purley. She worked several local retail jobs in her early teens. Personal life, Moss was in a relationship with actor Johnny Depp between 1994 and 1998. She has a daughter, Lila Moss, with dazed and confused editor Jefferson Hack, with whom she was in a relationship for a number of years in the early 2000s. She is godmother to Sadie Frost and Jude Law's daughter Iris Law. Moss had a relationship with Libertines member Pete Doherty, first meeting him at her 31st birthday party in January 2005. On the 11th of April 2007, Doherty announced Moss as his fiancée during one of his concerts in London, at which Moss also performed. In July 2007, Moss and Doherty split. Moss married Jamie Hinz, guitarist of The Kills, on the 1st of July 2011 at St. Peter's Church, Southrop, Gloucestershire. She wore a dress by John Galliano. Moss and Hinz split in 2015 and settled their divorce out of court in 2016. She has since been in a relationship with British photographer Count Nikolai von Bismarck of the German aristocratic family. In 2011, Moss bought 3, The Grove, Highgate, as her London home, selling it in 2022 to relocate to the Cotswolds. Moss is sober. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.